got these two ideas which I wanted to do. I have still not done.
Okay.
One is, if you take 1,000 goats, put it in an island, which is sufficiently some 400 square kilometer.
1,000
Goats. No wild animal there. You live there and you come out. After 10 years, you go there. How many goats will be there? Million. Leave 1,000 goats, 10 years, there will be million goats. Calculate the CAGR. 100% every year it grows. इससे सस्ता बिजनेस, इससे आसान बिजनेस दुनिया में कुछ होता है क्या? You sit and calculate and tell me, company, Velumani, this is flop. This is a wonderful business. You know one thing? आज से 40 साल पहले मटन चीप था, चिकन कॉस्टली था. आज मटन is 1,000 rupees kg, chicken is 250-200 rupees kg. Only because somebody scaled up chicken business, no one scaled up mutton business. Understand what I'm talking?
Yeah.
You can sit and I can forward you one Excel sheet which tells how 1,000 becomes a million. I wanted to about to start it. My children told me, Dad, you don't do it. I asked why. आपने पैथोलॉजी किया, सस्ता किया, आम आदमी को मदद किया, आपको बहुत सारा एक सोशल कैपिटल मिला है. Now if you do this, you will get sin capital. Don't do it.
True.
I didn't do it. Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
And this is doable. Number one.